This is the gym at the Secana Beachtown. Pilates studio. Functional cardio room. This is one of the most awesome gym in a resort that I've ever seen. And check out the sea view. They have the strength machine room. So all the strength training is concentrated in this room. So they even have the sauna and the ice bath, which is down the stairs. And there is the ice bath and the sauna. The final room is for classes for boxing, Muay Thai, yoga. And we're heading to the rooftop, which is the pool bar for some welcome drinks. And at the rooftop, this is the Secana rooftop pool. With a very nice sea view. Welcome drinks. So we have checked in at Secana Beachtown Resort and Villas, and this is the room 21. It is a loft room. So check out the space, it's really huge and high ceiling. There is a balcony, a bit of a sea view. There is also a dining area, a functional kitchenette. And upstairs, this is upstairs. There is a single sink. Rain shower over here. Nice double bed. We are at Merah Beach and our hotel is over there. That's just a 2-minute walk down, and on the left side is Fins and Atlas Beach Club. But anyway, there's supposed to be really good sunset here in Bali, so we'll check it out. You know, the beaches in Bali, they have black sand. Pretty cool, huh? Check out this kite, guys. Pretty awesome. We are at the Atlas Beach Club right now, guys. So we're waiting for the sunset, and we got a table for minimum spend of 800,000 rupees. But it's worth it, guys. This place is awesome. guys come to Love and Co, be prepared to bargain, fair warning. So walking along Jalan Pantai, just across from Love and Co Bazaar to the Secana, they have a cafe, looks awesome, gonna check it out. Lots of tattoo studios in Bali, but we're gonna check out this boutique. So just walked in and spotted this Pokemon Indonesia official partner store, so we're gonna check it out. This is the famous entrance walking into Brisa Beach Club. There's not Sunday today, so there's no Sunday market, but we're heading to the beach club for dinner. There's a photo booth. So guys, we are here at Brisa Beach Club. This is the sea, beautiful. Check this out. Once again, not much luck with sunset, unfortunately, but this place is heaven. It's crowded, but you know, we're here for dinner to soak in the vibes and the sea. Here at Nuri's Seminyak branch, famous for their pork ribs, so let's give them a try. Street shopping at the Seminyak area. Dutch, Bellabong, Volcom. This is the one I chose. So cool. And this is what Sharon chose. That one. This place is called the Boba. Class Bookshop, Secret Garden, Roxy. This is the Seminyak area. Seminyak Village, Candelicious. There's Aldo Baked Bakery. So this is Seminyak Village, one of the shopping malls in Bali. Check this out, guys. You get what it means. These are all pretty cool. These are pretty cool, guys. So we are at Merah, Putih and Seminyak, and this place is gorgeous. Merah Putih is one of the best Indonesian food, and with Indonesian food, of course, you can't miss having crackers. This is a very popular Instagram-worthy cafe, Korean cafe, and this is the entrance. So this they use to transport the coffee beans to the roastery up there. So that's the roastery over there, and they use this conveyor belt system, and it goes down here. This is the second level seating. So I just noticed these coffee cups are so cool. They have this mirror effect on them.